Welcome to our latest condo project, where we bring the edgy charm of New York industrial design to the hearts of your home. This style seamlessly blends raw materials, urban aesthetics, and modern comfort, creating a space that's both sophisticated and vibrant. The design's main feature is its open and airy spaces due to its open plan layout, which enhances the flow and functionality of the condo. Large windows let in plenty of natural light, highlighting the industrial texture, creating a bright and welcoming atmosphere. In a New York style design for a condo, by incorporating a blue general wall paint can add a bold and sophisticated touch while maintaining the urban aesthetic. Whether you're hosting a dinner party or enjoying a movie night with your loved ones, our integrated approach to space utilization ensures a seamless transition between dining, living, and bed area, creating a versatile and inviting atmosphere in your urban retreats.